That frustrating black screen on Geforce Now can be a real mood killer, but let's get your cloud gaming back on track with some quick fixes. The most common culprit is your internet connection. So first things first, let's make sure you're still online, open another application and check that you are able to use it. If you are unable to use it, try resetting your modem and router. This simple step often resolves a bunch of streaming issues and can get you back into your game fast. Now, if your connectivity is perfect but are still looking at a black screen, let's move on to our next step. Next, let's check Geforce Now server status. Occasionally, the servers might be overloaded or experiencing some hiccups, which causes a black screen. In order to check this, navigate to the Nvidia Geforce Now website and check the server status. If there are any issues reported, it might be a waiting game while Nvidia resolves them. Last but not least, try adjusting your game settings. Sometimes, high graphics settings can overwhelm the streaming capabilities. Try lowering your resolution or graphics quality within the game settings. This might help boost performance and get rid of the black screen. These tweaks can significantly improve your stream, ensuring you are back to playing your favorite games. So, whether it's a quick internet restart, a server check, or adjusting those in-game graphics, you're now equipped to troubleshoot that Geforce Now black screen. Happy gaming!